Hello everybody. Today's video is a pure experiment. Just for fun. A little bit crazy. And yes, slightly pointless. But that's why we love DIY experiments, right? One day I was thinking, is it actually possible to boil water using only a CPU? I mean, CPUs generate heat. A lot of heat. And when we mine crypto like Monero, the processor works at 100% load non-stop. So I thought, what if I combine two useful things at the same time? Mine some crypto. And boil water. Free tea powered by blockchain? Sounds efficient. So for this experiment I found an old motherboard with a LGA775 CPU. Honestly, I don't even remember the exact model. It was some old Intel chip from the LGA775 era, nothing special, just something I had in my parts box. First thing I did, I removed the heatsink completely. No cooling. Just the bare CPU. Then I applied thermal paste on top of the CPU and glued a small stainless steel bowl directly onto it. Very scientific method, I know. Engineering level, garage edition. Into that bowl I poured 200 milliliters of water. At the start of the test, the water temperature was 27 Celsius degree, basically room temperature. Then I launched the XMRig miner and pushed the CPU to 100% load. Full stress test. Maximum heat output. And now, we wait. This video is time-lapse, so you don't have to sit there for 1 hour watching water doing absolutely nothing. Because trust me, water heating slowly is not very exciting in real time. After 1 hour of mining and heating, I measured the temperature again. And the result? 41 Celsius degree. That's it. From 27 to 41 Celsius degree in 1 hour. So, not even close to boiling. Not even close to making coffee. More like slightly warm swimming pool water. Why did it fail? Well, CPUs are powerful, but they're not designed to transfer heat into water efficiently. Without proper thermal contact, without insulation, and with a relatively low TDP old processor, the energy just wasn't enough. Also, once water starts evaporating, you need a lot more power to actually reach 100 Celsius degree. So technically yes, CPU produces heat. But practically? You're not making tea this way. This experiment is something I did a few years ago. It was not successful, but it was fun. And sometimes that's the whole point of DIY experiments, just curiosity. Test ideas. Try weird things. See what happens. So sorry if I wasted your time. But at least now you know. Mining crypto will not boil your water. Thank you for watching. If you like strange experiments like this, subscribe, because I have more questionable ideas coming. See you later.